Hi guys, I'm at this waterfall place, and and I found this little river.
Can I look through that glass?
There's pelicans on this chart, and I see pelicans right now. They're right over there. That's cool. This is so beautiful. Where am I? I'm looking in the water. Papa, I'm looking at the pelicans. There's actually pelicans. Oh.
Let's go.
Okay. Is that dangerous?
I don't know if it's dangerous.
What?
It's so beautiful.
What's that? That TPG. Is it dangerous? Hey, Papa, he also has a net. Yeah. Papa,
Ah,
is this supposed to be the waterfall right here?
yes.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Papa, I see. Papa, look, what is that down there?
Garbage. Sandro.
Wait, Papa, look. See what's in the water? You know what is that?
No.
That's mosquito larva. That's when mosquitoes are tiny babies.
Mm-hmm.
Right. What? Let's see closer. It's Margaret. Margaret, I want Margaret.
Wow. Papa,
Ah.
wait, that's where the water was before.
Mm-hmm.
That's where it was.
Have to be waterfall, but not.
There was a waterfall, but there's no water. I want to touch the water.
Ahora para la foto.
This is so cool. We just saw the water. We just saw the water. The water.
What you say?
We We just saw the waterfall, but there was no water flowing.
You tired?
Yes, really.
Okay, let's go. We go there.
It's over there. The sent away. Why is that good? Not so talented. In the Amazon forest. Oh.
Spiders.
Oh. That's actually a big spider. Wait, did
You
you
see? The spider inside.
that? Do you see that worm that I got?
Mm-hmm.
I wish I killed that mosquito to give it to you. I think that's a wolf spider. We finally found a waterfall. Yes, it's not really, but it works like it. Papa, we finally saw a waterfall. Oh, look, look. Do you know where the water's over there?
What?
Do you know where that water's going? Over there to another waterfall.
Mm-hmm.
Look, it's going to another cliff. Thank you.
Thank you.
You don't want to play, Papa?
Ah.
Take a picture. Papa, take a picture of. I wanted you to take a picture, like you go behind me and I do.
Mm-hmm.
You take a picture. Golfing now, because I remember the video we made. I want to.
Gaby, pero este no es el más grande, ¿verdad que no? No, había uno que estaba bien grandísimo. Aquí ya no me va.
Got it. Spider web, it's so cool.
¿Te recuerdas?
Papa. Papa.
Es para el estacionamiento.
Papa.
Mm.
Look how cool this spider web is.
Eso.
And this is the end of my video. Bye. And make sure to like and subscribe.